Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the field set tag. They're all lazy guys, which you don't wanna be, I guess. Those lazy guys don't wanna use CS properties, so they use this kind of tags. Don't skip this video. This is important though, because the way it good, so you can know. So use the form. We do not need any of this. I'm not doing any Ajax request, right? So remove all of it. Next thing, what we're gonna do, use the field set. So FEILD field set. Inside that, put a legend tag. So LEGEND, and use the anything like personalia. So person, if you know French, I guess this word is French, right? The French guys comment down below. And next thing what we're gonna do is use the name, and we'll be better off if it's uppercase, and type input type will be text. No, we do not need anything. And use the BR, another tag, it would be email, and then input, and use the BR again, and we're gonna use the date of birth, DOB. I'm not gonna type all of that, right? So input, and so when we do that, you can see, you can see this is what the work of field set, I guess. And you can type name, Shad, email, date of birth, so like this. This is the work of those, I guess. So see you guys in the next tutorial.